cool product to unbox for you. This is the Bartesian Premium Cocktail Automatic Mixing Machine. This is a very cool machine that will automatically mix your cocktails for you. They have these pod systems, and what this is this is all the flavoring for your cocktails. You put this little pod inside of the machine, and as you can see the glass jars around the machine, that will automatically pump your favorite liquors into the system at the correct amounts and then pouring your drink. As you can see in front of me, there's a lot of different cocktails you can mix. Over here we have the Rum Breeze, we have Uptown Rocks. This is a classic collection, so this is kind of like a sampler. It's got whiskey sour, Margarita, Old Fashioned Long Island iced tea, Cosmopolitan, and Uptown Rocks all in one. So you can sample them, see which one you like the best, and then just order more pods that you like the best. Over here we have Margaritas, Cosmopolitan, and Old Fashioned. This video is going to be mainly an unboxing, show you exactly what you get along with a lot of information. And then within the next couple of weeks or so, I'm going to do a full review on this. I think it's going to be a very cool machine. All right, let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the box. And one more thing, if I forgot to state, these come in 6-packs. I'll put the price down in the description when I edit this video. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the box. Make the perfect cocktail. Here is a lot of your information, as long as your user's manual. All right, here is the power plug for the system. All right, let's take a look at what you get. Nicely packaged. I definitely appreciate this type of foam. Does a much better job than some of the materials other companies use. So this system comes with 5 different bottles, and they are all glass, which is really nice. On the lids here it says what kind of alcohol you put in each bottle. So this one is for tequila, whiskey, rum, vodka, and on the last bottle, it is gin. So a very cool system. I'm very glad they decided to go with glass and not skimp out and use plastic. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the main unit. I think it's a good looking system. I like the color they chose. So let's check out the machine itself. So it does come with this nice, really thick rubber pad, and this is what's gonna catch any of the drips after it makes your drink for you. So very nice. This, once again, nice thick rubber, has a really nice heavy feel to it. It says the brand name right there. Almost every other company that I've seen make any type of machine, they use that cheap plastic, so I can appreciate them using good quality materials on this machine. So this comes with 5 bottles and 4 spots. So if you know you're not a particular fan of a specific type of alcohol, you can keep that just on the side, and just when it requires it, you pop out one and pop in the other. Very simple. And then there is also a water tank on the back here. That'll pop out, very easy to fill. Overall, this looks like a nice quality, well-made machine so far, just from what I can see. All right, let me pop these in so you can see an overall look of how these will look. Here is vodka. You just have this full of your vodka, push it right in there, simple as that. You got your rum, it's gonna go back here. Tequila, literally just pops right in, very easy. And then you got your whiskey. So this is very easy to use. You fill these up completely with your alcohol, and you just let it sit until you want to drink. Water's in here as well, and then you insert the pod. Very simple to do. Pop this right up, insert your pod. As soon as you close it, it'll puncture it, and then it'll be able to mix your drink for you. Let me go and show you the pod real quick. All right, guys, here's one of the pods. I went ahead and just grabbed a Cosmopolitan. You can see this has all the flavoring inside, so there's no actual alcohol inside this pod itself. The machine knows exactly how much of each alcohol to put through the system, and it'll mix with this and give you the flavorful drink. Alright guys, so that was just a real quick unboxing for you. I will be doing a full review on this. If you guys want to see anything specific, please let me know down in the comments and I'll try to make a separate video just for you. I'll be going through all the different flavors. I'll have some friends and family over and we'll all test it together, see which one we like the best, see who likes this machine, dislikes it, and I'll be completely honest with you guys about that. Alright guys, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Once again, if you want to see anything specific on this unit, please let me know in the comments and I'll make that happen for you. If you have any other questions in general, please feel free to ask. And I will see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.